What's making a pressure plate a performance one or an upgraded one? Well, depends on several different things. Most commonly, the smaller multi-plate clutches are referred to as performance or motorsport clutches, which is correct, where you have a center mass, which is better for motorsports, etc. But these bigger clutches from the OEM market are being used more commonly in performance cars. So what are making these types performance ones are more suitable for performance use or high horsepower and torque use. So there are some kind of things making them good. First, what kind of material is used here? This is something you cannot choose, because this has been chosen by the manufacturer. But you also the mass. A bigger mass can take more heat before it runs into problems. So this plate here, the friction plate, would it be more mass in this friction plate, it would be able to store more energy or more heat before it runs into problems. So that's one thing. Another thing is the springs. If you have a high spring load, which means it can push the friction surface to the clutch disc, that would be better clamp force. So friction and clamp force would be two things that's making it a performance clutch. So another clutch with another pressure plate with the same kind of spring but different friction on the plate would have different performance, because the plate with more friction would have better performance, can handle more torque. If you had the one with the less friction plate but a higher clamping force, they could be equal. And if you have a bigger mass on the friction plate, that will be a more performance clutch because it can handle more heat. And if you add all those things, you have greater spring pressure, higher friction in your friction plate, and if you have higher mass in your friction plate, which can store heat better, that will be a great option for a performance clutch. But most oftenly you use the one that fits your flywheel.